When you search for the best RV roof sealants and coatings, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant 1 gallon. First up, we have the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant in a 1-gallon size for $79.95. This product caught my attention right away because it's labeled as a bestseller with a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews. If you want a flexible waterproof solution that can help keep your RV dry, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flexible waterproof membrane it creates means you can travel without the constant worry of leaks and water damage. It maintains its flexibility in all temperatures, so whether it's summer heat or winter cold, your roof stays protected. With heat-reflective properties, it reduces heat absorption, which can help lower your energy bills during those hot months. The coverage rate is impressive. 2 1-gallon covers about 50 square feet, making it perfect for entire RV roofs. Plus, it's easy enough for a DIY project, applying with just a brush or roller. Now, some people complained about the drying time being a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're doing this as a weekend project, just plan for it. It's not a deal breaker, especially when you consider the long-lasting performance it promises, up to 10 years when applied correctly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable long-term solution for your RV roof. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest a weekend into a DIY project. Honestly, for the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the price of the 1-gallon option feels a bit much for your needs, the next one on my list is a larger size that could save you some money in the long run. Product number 2, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant 5-gallon. Continuing with liquid rubber, the 5-gallon version is priced at $299.95 and holds a slightly higher 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews. If you want a bulk solution that can cover more area, this one definitely deserves your attention. The larger size is ideal for those with bigger RVs or for anyone looking to tackle multiple projects at once. What's great is that you can apply it just as easily brush, roller, or sprayer, making it a practical choice for DIYers. However, some users have mentioned that it requires careful application to avoid overuse. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and follow instructions, you won't end up wasting it. Just remember that this option is all about providing extensive coverage and durability. This is perfect for you if you have a larger RV or multiple roofs to seal. Skip this one if you only need a small amount since it is quite an investment. Overall, if you're looking for value and long-lasting protection, this could be your best bet. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly approach. Product number 3, Ames Maximum Stretch Roof Coating. Next up is the Ames Maximum Stretch Roof Coating at just $44.90. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's a solid choice for those on a budget. This product really stood out to me because of its high elongation capacity. It stretches up to 650% without cracking. Plus, it boasts 88% light reflectivity, which helps keep your RV cooler and potentially saves you on cooling costs during those scorching summer trips. It's designed to adhere to various surfaces, including metal and rubber, making it a versatile option for different roof types. However, some users did note that it might not provide the same level of long-term durability as the premium options. But here's the deal. If you're looking for a quick, budget-friendly fix and plan to reapply as needed, this could be the right fit for you. This is perfect for you if you're needing an affordable option that still delivers good performance for your RV roof. Skip this one if you want a long-term, one-time solution, as you may need to reapply more frequently. For the price, it's a great value for a temporary sealant. Now, if you're after something a bit more comprehensive, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating Leak Repair Kit. Next is the Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating Leak Repair Kit priced at $499.95. This might seem steep, but it has a 4.6-star rating from 156 reviews and is labeled as a bestseller. It caught my eye because it's a complete system that covers all your bases. This kit includes everything you need for a full roof repair: the RV roof coating, EPDM primer, seam tape, and lap sealant. It's designed to provide a flexible waterproof barrier that stands up to the elements. What's really impressive is the ease of use. You can achieve professional results in just a weekend. Plus, it's perfect for all roof types, ensuring a tight seal and long-lasting protection. However, the price tag is a significant investment, and some users mention that it's not the best choice for minor repairs. But here's the thing: if you're looking for a comprehensive solution that guarantees durability, then this kit is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a thorough repair kit that ensures you won't have to worry about leaks again. Skip this if you're just looking for a quick touch-up, as you won't need all the components. For those serious about maintaining their RV, this kit offers excellent value for the level of protection it provides. Finally, let's wrap things up with a great option for those needing a durable acrylic coating. Product number 5, Dicker EPDM Rubber Roof Acrylic Coating. Last but not least, we have the Dicker EPDM Rubber Roof Acrylic Coating at $84.97. This product has a 4.6-star rating from 2,500 reviews, making it another solid choice for RV owners. It's specifically designed for EPDM and PVC roofs, which makes it a great fit if you have one of those materials. This coating provides a protective barrier that extends the life of your RV roofing, which is crucial for long-term maintenance. The high-gloss finish makes it not only protective but also visually appealing. With a coverage rate of 125 square feet per gallon, it's efficient for those looking to cover larger areas. On the downside, some users did report issues with adhesion if not prepped correctly. But here's the thing: if you take the time to clean and prepare your roof properly, you'll likely have no issues with its performance. This is perfect for you if you have an EPDM or PVC roof and want a reliable protective coating. Skip this if you have a different roof material, as it won't work as effectively. For the money, it's a great investment in roof longevity. That wraps up our top 5 RV roof sealants. Each of these has its own strengths and caters to different needs, whether you're looking for budget options or all-inclusive kits. To sum it all up, we've covered some fantastic options. Liquid Rubber's 1 in 5 gallon sealants for those needing flexibility and coverage, Ames for the budget-conscious, Liquid Rubber's complete kit for serious repairs, and Dicker's specialized coating for EPDM roofs. Choose the one that fits your needs best and keep your RV protected for all your adventures ahead.